Good evening to you. This evening I want to quickly cover the INF3707 2022 download and install Oracle 21C. How to download Oracle 21C and how to install Oracle 21C. Okay, this is the two links that we've got to connect to the database. Alright, or to the download. So without further ado, let me just take you to the website. So this is the link over here, https://www.oracle.com/database/appdev/exe.html. So we can click on download Oracle database, and you see here we've got three different options. The one is for the Windows, and I want a 64-bit version, so I'm going to download this version. Then the other two are for Linux editions. Okay. I don't know what the difference between the OL7 and the OL8 is, but I know that I need the Windows version. I don't see a Mac edition here, but yeah, so you'd have to use the Apex Cloud version for that. But anyway, we click on this download and it should ask us, do we want to download, or else yeah, it should just start downloading it. I've already downloaded the file, so I want to just see. Yeah, there we go, it's going to download. I'm going to cancel the download. I've already downloaded it. Okay, I'm going to go onto my virtual machine, which I've set up. Okay, this is it here, and what I've done is I've already downloaded it. I've put it on a disk. I would find this under my downloads folder over here. I would extract it. Okay, and I'm extracting it to the C drive. I'm extracting it to this installation folder, and then from here I'm going to run the setup exe. Okay, so you're not seeing the exe, but that's basically what is there. It's an executable for Windows. So if we try and run the setup, we should see a screen that comes up and asks us, do we want to proceed to install. You might see this screen appearing. It's if you've got user account control enabled on your system. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And it shows you setup.exe. I'm going to say yes, and then basically it'll prompt us with, so now it's going to do some pre-rec checks on the system, make sure that our system is relatively good for Oracle to install. Okay, yeah, you get prompted with this original screen, and it says this is the install shield wizard. We will install Oracle 21C Express on your computer. To continue, click on next. So you choose next. You can read through all the terms and conditions about the Express edition. I'm going to choose I accept and click on next. This is where it asks, where do you want to install it. I normally change this, and I want it to be installed on my C drive under a folder called Oracle, and I normally take out this extra option here and I put _21C, so I know which version I've got installed. Click on OK. If the folder doesn't exist, it's not a problem. The system will create it automatically. Click on next. Now this is the password that you need to remember for your system. Okay, so I'm going to make mine very simple. I'm going to make it a capital P, and then I'm just going to say password 123, because it's only my local system that's accessing it. So I'm just going to use that, and I'm confirming the password that I want to use. These are the three users that I can try and use to connect to it. Okay, so I've gone and done that. Now it's happy. It's going to proceed and install in this location that I've chosen. Okay, So if you have a look on my C drive, I never had an Oracle folder here, and besides this one where I extracted the files to, and so I should see a new one popping up anytime soon. You might not even see it on this exact screen. Might have to refresh the screen, but it will create the Oracle 21C folder for me while it's installing it. See, there's the folder that it's created now. Somewhere along the installation you'll be prompted about this. Now I normally click both private networks as well as the public networks. It just means that who can access it from where, and I think if you take one of the ticks off, it doesn't allow you to connect with the local host, and if you take the public one off, it won't let you connect with an IP address. So I prefer to leave both on, but I know that one of the students took this off and then they weren't able to connect with localhost. So rather leave them both ticked like this and say allow access, and then it should continue to proceed to install the Oracle database from there. Okay, I received an error, and that was most likely due to me not having an internet connection here, and so I've asked it to retry, but it might need to retry a few more times. when the installation is done, should be presented with a screen like this. And so what I normally do is I take a snapshot of the screen using a tool called the snip and clip tool. So if you click on start over here and you scroll down to snip and sketch, there it is. You open this tool up, you'll be presented with a screen like this, and you just click on new. Then what you do is you just highlight the area that you want to take a picture of, like that. Puts it in a screen like this, and you can click on this save icon. You'll then be brought to a screen similar to this, and I normally change this from a PNG to a JPEG, and I will just call this Oracle install. Oracle install, just so that I have that information. I save it, and then that's it. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you how to install it to make sure that you've got this screen captured. So thank you for watching, and all the best with INF3707. Thank you and goodbye.